Hello, everybody, and welcome to 2020 Virtual Open House. My name is Mr. Sipkema. I will be your child's fifth grade teacher. A little bit about myself. I'm in year 13, all at North White, all at fifth grade. And, I just think it's a privilege and honor to be able to work in this school and work with so many good families I've been blessed to work with over the last 13 years. Couple things for you. First of all, we last year we started departmentalizing in fifth grade, which means that the students were taught by 3 different teachers. The same thing will happen this year. Mrs. Stepp moved up from 4th grade, so she'll be doing 5th grade language arts. Mr. Gillot will be doing 5th grade science and social studies, and then myself will be doing mathematics. With that, if they're in my homeroom class, they will be doing writing with me as well. So that worked out really well last year, and I think this year, after talking with Mr. Hawk, to keep the movement of the students to a minimum, the teachers will rotate classrooms. Last year we had a break. We did a class, and we did specials and a class and lunch and then another class. So the movement for the teachers will be while the kids are on their breaks. So that should work out pretty well. One of the things I want to talk about was the class list. You may or may not have gotten a copy of that or seen that in one of the stores. I can send it home with you the first day of the school. I will read over it to you real quick. The students will need 3 spiral notebooks, 1 package of loose leaf paper, 5 pocket folders, a package of wooden pencils, number 2 wooden pencils, 3 glue sticks, 1 box of colored pencils, 2 pink erasers, 2 boxes of Kleenex, 1 pair of earbuds and or headphones, 1 package of markers, 4 highlighters, a rounded scissors, a school box, 1 box of 24 count Crayola crayons, 6 to 8 dry erase markers, and 1 composition notebook. I will tell you that the dry erase markers, Expo preferred, it says 6 to 8. We use those a lot in math, and I know language and science and social studies uses that as well. So if you could get 8 or 10, that'd be great. If you need any help or need anything material provided, I'll give you my email address later, and then you can reach out to me individually. So a little bit about math. This will be a little bit of a different year, but we have high expectations in this class. One thing we're going to do is we're going to do a lot of goal setting. I'm really big on writing goals, not just saying them, but writing them and allowing the student to view those goals every so often to make sure they're on the right track. We like to have a good time. We like to have fun, but very goal-oriented. Like to teach accountability and like to work hard. And if your son or daughter is into working hard and into having fun, I think we're going to have a great year here in 5th grade. The other thing I want to talk about is Remind. Remind is just an online tool that allows me to communicate with parents. I will send a paper homework reminder on the first day of school. We'll tell you that last year we didn't have as many numbers as I would have liked to in Remind. Knowing the situation at the end of the year, it would have been a great tool for some parents. But what's nice about Remind is it allows me to send out whole class messages, emails, and then if a parent wants to talk to me individually, they can individually text me. I can individually text them. So quick and simple, easy way to communicate with the teacher. Obviously, besides that, you get your email as well. So I'll be sending that out to you on the first day of school with a class list, as well as a little bit more about myself. But like I said, in math, we're going to hit fractions really hard this year. We're going to do a lot of things with Freckle online, a couple of different online programs that we use, get a little bit in the math book a little bit. But it's going to be a learning year, for all of us, and I think everything's going to go really well. So I'm excited to start school. I'm excited to meet some of you kids and talk to some of you kids and get to learn about you. I hope you're excited about math. Hope you're excited about 5th grade and excited about getting back to school. I know it's been 4.5, 5 months, and I think we're all excited about that. So um, uh, that's all I have for today. Looking forward to seeing you kids in a little over a week.